we're going to jump right in. I started out by making a background with my rectangle tool. Then I dropped in my green screen and overlaid it on top of my background. Made my background to fit my full timeline, and then we're now going to go into our effects panel and then drop down to video effects, then drop down to keying. Then we're going to select Ultra key. In the effects control panel, we're then going to go to the Ultra key effects panel and select key color, and we're going to drop the key color onto the green screen. So the eyedropper will automatically pick up the green color once you scroll over to it, and boom, you have it. Your green screen is laid over easily.